This is the first look at Pop! OS Cosmic Desktop written in a Rust programming language. It's a brand new desktop environment for Pop! OS and other Linux distros. Cosmic stands as an independent desktop just like GNOME and KDE Plasma, offering a unique experience for Linux users. As of making this video, the Cosmic Desktop is in the alpha stage, preparing for release in the upcoming months. Now, as of now, you can try the Cosmic's first release called Epoch on Fedora, Pop! OS, and Arch Linux, which gives an idea about the future desktop for Linux systems. I have been testing this for quite some time on my computer, and in this video, I will share my experience with the Cosmic Desktop. Alright, so this is a Fedora Silverblue running Cosmic Desktop. This is how the login screen of Cosmic Desktop appears. On the left, you can view the time, date, battery information, and Wi-Fi connection. You can also get access to system controls such as settings, reboot, or power off options. On the right, you can see the username with the profile picture and the password text field for login. The Login Manager also provides a way of switching between the multiple desktop environments if they are installed on your system. Let's proceed to login by entering the password and dive into the desktop. This is the Cosmic Desktop home screen. It's very simple and easy to use. The desktop comprises a top panel and a bottom dock. Let's talk about the top panel, which includes applets like the workspace indicator, applications menu, and system toggles. Clicking on the application menu at the top left brings up the app drawer where you get to see all of the installed applications neatly organized into groups. You can create your own group list with your preferred app list. Next to the Applications menu, you will find a Workspace switcher. Using this, you can quickly jump between the workspaces. To preview the workspaces, click on Applications and select Workspaces. This brings up the Workspace Overview page, displaying a vertical representation of all workspaces and their corresponding applications. In the center of the panel, you will find a date and time applet. On the right side, you will find the brand new system controls neatly organized. The sound, Wi-Fi, battery, notifications, and power controls, all these applets look amazing. For example, the power menu allows you to choose power modes and also offers the option to limit battery charge to 80%, promoting the longevity of your laptop battery. The bottom panel or dock consists of a single applet called App List. Cosmic Desktop includes an application called Cosmic Settings that allows the customization of the user interface. The app features a sidebar with the settings organized into sections. The desktop section allows tweaking window controls, panels, and applets. For instance, you can add applets to the top or bottom panel and rearrange them to any segment. Let's add the Cosmic Launcher to the top panel. This is kind of similar to KRunner on a Plasma desktop that allows app searching and more. You can also increase the panel size using the style options. Let's go back to the main desktop panel settings. Clicking on the wallpaper reveals a list of system wallpapers. The appearance section allows for changing the accent colors and cosmic theming. It's also very easy to switch between the light or dark modes. Using the workspace settings, you can alter the workspace orientation to vertical or horizontal. The Input Devices section allows control of the behavior of the keyboard, mouse, and touchpad. Other sections include displays, sound, system, accounts, time, and language. Using them, you can change the screen resolution, sound output, manage firmware, users, and more. Cosmic Desktop brings a revamped tiling feature and includes the option to toggle auto tiling per workspace. This enhancement improves auto tiling and provides two types of tiling that can be set for all workspaces or individually. You can enable the tiling mode with one click, just like that. Thanks to the intelligent tiling behavior, you can drag the window into the tile blocks, which adjust automatically. With Cosmic Desktop, you get to see all new applications built in Rust. And as of now, only a few applications are available out of the box, including File Manager, Cosmic Terminal, Cosmic App Store, and Cosmic Text Editor. Cosmic App Store is still under development and appears well organized to give you apps based on category. You can also find an option to update all applications. Let's talk about the Cosmic Text Editor. This is a lightweight text editor with advanced features. It has built-in tabs with advanced options such as Git integration, project browsers, and Vim bindings. You can easily use this application for coding. Lastly, let's take a look at the Cosmic Terminal. The applications written in Rust from scratch look very beautiful, and kudos to the team for their efforts. Cosmic Desktop comes with a brand new screenshot utility that is very basic and similar to GNOME Screenshot. Now, as of now, you can only take a screenshot, and the screen recording feature will be implemented down the road. You can invoke the screenshot tool by pressing the print screen button on your keyboard. It's time to talk about the performance of the Cosmic Desktop. Honestly, Cosmic Desktop is under development and the Cosmic Epoch build is kind of buggy at the moment. However, this doesn't diminish its potential. When it comes to app launching, it feels exceptionally fast and responsive. It uses around 1.4 GB of RAM under idle conditions, and the main Cosmic compositor barely consumes any RAM or CPU resources. Overall, I would say Cosmic Desktop offers a fresh and intuitive experience diverging from Qt and GTK frameworks. Linux users are likely to appreciate this new desktop built using the latest technologies. Its visually pleasing aesthetics, customizable themes, stock apps built in Rust, and auto-dialing feature contribute to a seamless desktop experience. Let me know what do you think about Cosmic Desktop in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. This is been KSK Ryle. I will see you in the next one.